Today we learn about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are two of the most rapidly growing and exciting fields in technology today. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize industries and improve our daily lives in countless ways. AI is the broader concept of machines being able to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing images and objects, and making decisions. ML, on the other hand, is a specific type of AI that involves training a computer to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. One of the most significant ways that AI and ML are being used today is in the field of computer vision. Computer vision is the ability of a machine to interpret and understand visual information from the world around it. This includes things like recognizing objects in images and videos, as well as detecting and tracking moving objects. This technology is being used in a wide range of applications, including self-driving cars, security cameras, and medical imaging. Another area where AI and ML are having a big impact is in natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the ability of a machine to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This technology is being used to build chatbots and virtual assistants, as well as to automatically generate text, such as news articles and social media posts. AI and ML are also being used to improve the performance of other technologies, such as robotics and automation. For example, robots and drones are being equipped with AI and ML to enable them to make decisions and perform tasks autonomously. This is making it possible for these machines to be used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and construction to agriculture and delivery. One of the most promising areas for AI and ML is in healthcare. These technologies are being used to analyze medical images and data, and to help doctors make more accurate diagnoses. They are also being used to develop new drugs and therapies, as well as to improve the efficiency of healthcare systems. In the field of business, AI and ML are being used to improve a wide range of processes, from customer service to supply chain management. For example, companies are using these technologies to analyze customer data and to personalize their marketing and sales efforts. They are also using them to optimize their supply chains and to improve the efficiency of their operations. While AI and ML have the potential to bring many benefits, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of these technologies. One of the main concerns is that they could lead to job displacement, as machines become better at performing tasks that were previously done by humans. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential misuse of these technologies, such as in the development of autonomous weapons. Another concern is that AI and ML could be used to perpetuate or even amplify societal biases. This is because these technologies are trained on data, and if that data contains biases, the AI and ML systems will also be biased. Despite these concerns, the potential benefits of AI and ML are too great to ignore. These technologies have the potential to improve our lives in countless ways, and to drive economic growth and innovation. It's important to note that AI and ML are still in the early stages of development, and the true impact of these technologies is yet to be seen. However, by investing in research and development, and by working to address the ethical and societal concerns associated with these technologies, we can help ensure that they are developed and used in a responsible and beneficial way. Overall, AI and ML have the potential to change the world as we know it, and it's an exciting time to be involved in this field. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more applications and benefits in the future.